Good morning. I'm here in front of you because I'm not in the back. I'm standing here because I'm not sitting. Before I start my speech, I like to finish it. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, especially to Sir Falagulus. Before I start my speech, may you kiss the bride. Joke. Please listen to me, especially boys. I know my speech is entertainment. Entertainment is all about funny speeches, but no, my speech is very serious and very intense. Just focus on me.
You know?
My topic for my speech is how to cook a sopas.
Joker
Sopas
din pala to
is
eh.
the fastest food. Sopas, you can warm the cold blood. Sopas, to cook sopas, you need hot dog from the freezer. Sopas needs hot dog, but my hot dog needs my egg.
Hindi ko naintindihan yun ah. Oo, kasi yung tama nila.
I love sopas, but sopas didn't love me. Like her. How to cook sopas? Forget about to cook sopas and think how to eat sopas. Step 1.
May step
Need
1
to
pa.
blow the candle and make a wish. Blow the sopas, I should say. Step 2. Eat the sopas. Is it delicious like me?
Ganda ng pagkaka-English.
I know I'm delicious, but I'm not a sopas. And that's all. Shout out to Tito Rodrigo Robredo, Lebron Stephen, Del Pailon, Olina Sanchez, Jessica Sohen, to my family in the Canada. I miss you all.